welcome back. I hope you all are having an amazing Friday evening. Thank you so much for being here. I do greatly appreciate it. So, as you can see from the title down below, today we are going to be unboxing the September 2019 California Found. So for those of you that are not familiar, I will go over what California Found is. Before I do, I want to remind you guys we do have 2 active giveaways on our channel right now. Both will be linked down below, so if you have not yet entered, please do so. We have the makeup and skincare giveaway ending on the 4th of October, and then the giveaway that is in the Boxy Luxe unboxing that ends on the 13th of October. So, like I said, if you have not yet entered, please do so. And if you are new, please go ahead and hit that subscribe button. We'd love to have you join our YouTube family. We do all kinds of fun unboxings, giveaways, hauls, live streams. We always have a great time. So like I said, we'd love to have you join our YouTube family. But California Found. So I will put a link down below. I do also have a promo code. This is really awesome. That will save you 20% off your first box. So like I said, the link will be down below and the promo code as well, which is Southern Mom Get 20. So like I said, that'll save you 20% off your first box. But California Found, you choose to treat yourself, or you can give it as a gift to your sunshine. They find the most talented makers and select the best California creations. You or your lucky sunshine unbox a uniquely chic collection of California lifestyle items each month. It is a monthly collection of California artisan-crafted skin and hair care, gourmet treats, jewelry, accessories, and home decor. It is $49 a month, and they do charge $7.95 for shipping, or $16.95 for shipping to Canada. They do also ship worldwide. That is $23.95. You can go ahead and prepay for 3 months, and that'll save you a little bit of money. And it does ship between the 25th and 30th of each month. So this does ship at the end of the month. So that is why we are just now getting our September box here at the end of September. So let's go ahead, like I said, and get in here and see what we got. Like I said, again, the link and that promo code to save you 20% off will be down below. But here is the box. Did come in an outer mailer, so let's go ahead and open it and see. Last month was my first time unboxing this, and it was absolutely amazing. I loved it. Everything about it is just wonderful. So when you open it, this is what you see. So you've got your standard tissue paper, some squigglies, and some information cards right here. So, and then, like I said, the tissue paper with a little sticker, which we will go ahead and open and peel back. Let's see. So we have our first card that's going to tell us a little bit about the box, the theme, just the message behind the box this month. So it says, welcome to the California Found September 2019 collection. We're excited to bring you this month's collection of unique and lovely California artisan-made products. We're also super excited to announce that we have become members of 1% for the Planet. We've committed to donating at least 1% of our gross revenues to 1% for the Planet's mission is to build support and an active alliance of individuals and businesses financially committed to creating a healthy planet. We are honored to be a part of the community that to date has invested more than $225 million in positive environmental change. Learn more at 1percentfortheplanet.org. That is amazing. I really like that. Every month, one box contains our golden ticket, which entitles the recipient to a free box. So look carefully. Good luck, sunshine. So that is awesome. That's fantastic. And then we do have, like I said, a card here telling us about each of the items in the box. So let's see. Is this, I'm going to guess that this, the one here right on top looks like a piece of jewelry, and that's what I think this is. Lonnie McConna right there, and Oh, Lonnie McConna, Gifts from Heaven, LonnieMcConna.com. This is a necklace. You guys, that is gorgeous. I love that. So let's see. Lonnie McConna, which means Gifts from Heaven in Hawaiian, is Katie Makawai. I don't know if I'm pronouncing that correctly. I apologize. It's a celebration of little gifts in everyday life. Inspired by her time spent in Hawaii and her love of creating, she hopes to share these gifts with you. Lonnie McConna specializes in jewelry, accessories, and gifts inspired by the sea. Their handcrafted jewelry features natural gemstones, sterling silver findings, genuine freshwater pearls, beach found sea glass, sea pottery, and other oceans find. The featured product is the dainty gemstone necklace with raw Amazonite, Labradorite, peach moonstone, or white moonstone, and this is $28. Now, I believe this would be the Labradorite. I could be wrong, but that's my guess. It is sterling silver. It is 18 inches. But yes, I believe that is the Labradorite. If I am incorrect, let me know down below. And there is a coupon code for 15% off your purchase. If that is something you're interested in, let me know down below and I will let you guys know that code. But that necklace is absolutely stunning. All right, and this is the beautiful lady here that is in charge of all of that. All right, and then we have, what are you? Got squiggly stuck. Modern LKLY folk art. Each piece is a different experience. It takes me where it wants me to go. I'm just along for the ride. So we have these two right here. Let me find this. At LKLY Designs, you'll find quality handcrafted woven goods for the home. Each product is carefully handmade, one piece at a time, by artisan and proprietor Lisa Young. Unique, one-of-a-kind baskets and other woven home decor accents are made with natural fibers such as jute, cotton, linen, and hemp, highlighting LKLY's organic, rustic, and eclectic sensibilities. This month, we brought you LKLY's Scrubby Set, which happens to go quite nicely with your zero-waste dish block from No Tax Life. Use the small one for your dishes and the large one for your body. They're slightly abrasive and soft at the same time. $22. That is awesome. So you would use this one to wash your dishes and this one to wash yourself. And this is the lovely lady right here that makes these. That is awesome. And I can see where, yeah, they could be a little abrasive, but they are kind of soft and very pliable and everything at the same time, so that's fun. All right, then we have something right here. No Tox Life Vegan Dishwashing Block. Solid dishwashing soap. That sounds awesome. Let's see. No Tox Life was founded by a mother-daughter team, Sandy and Callie, based in Glassell Park, Los Angeles. From the very beginning, they designed their company to be entirely vegan, with palm oil-free soaps being their first popular product. They now hand make over 100 goods for bath, body, and home, and are expanding their zero waste offerings this year. This is the Dish Block Zero Waste Dishwashing Bar, valued at $12.98. And again, this also has a coupon code, so if you're interested in this, let me know and I will give you the coupon code down below. But that is really awesome. Ultra biodegradable septic and gray water safe soap for hand washing dishes, pots, and pans. Lathers up, cuts grease and grime. And there's no smell. That's really awesome. Made without fragrance, dyes, phosphates, or parabens, not tested on animals, 100% vegan. That's awesome. I like that. All right. Then we have, oh, this tube right here. We have what looks like 2 different nail polishes. They're both in bubble wrap and in a bag. I like that they were in a bag because if something were to happen in shipping, being in the bag, you don't have to worry about them getting all over all of the other products. So we have this shade right here, which is called Summer Forever. And then this shade in Fallback. So that's kind of appropriate, like Summer Forever, but Fallback. I love that. Let's see. And they're both by 7 True. And if I did not show you, I apologize. This is the mother and daughter that do the dishwashing soap. All right, let's see. So here we have the 2 nail polishes. Founded by 3 moms devoted to making a change, 7 True delivers safe, vegan, cruelty-free nail care with a portion of proceeds donated back to nonprofits that support women empowerment. All 7 True nail polishes are treatments are created in the US and are free of 10 toxic ingredients that you'll find in most nail care products. And then it lists a bunch of things that I am not even going to begin to try to say. I mean, I could say formaldehyde, parabens, sulfates, but the rest, probably not happening. 7 True is influenced by the seasons and latest fashion trends while promising safety and fewer toxins. Based off 7 core values, Southern California-based 7 True promises honesty, generosity, simplicity, safety, self-esteem, while being contemporary and fun. So featured nail polish is in Summer Forever and Fallback, and it's valued at $30. That is actually like such a gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous fall color. So beautiful. And that is like a really great nude, which would be great for summertime. So I like both of those. All right. And then here are the 3 moms. And it looks like they have a huge variety of shades down here. All right, so let's see. Oh, I see some treats. All right. All right, so it looks like our last 2 products are some yummy treats from Suburbs. Oh, I can see the flavors. Aren't those cute? This one says salted apricot caramel and traditional chocolate chip. So let's see here. So Suburbs, after practicing law for many years, Daphne Subar decided, maybe it's Subars, sorry, decided it was time to follow her passion and open a bakery featuring unique baked good, Subars. Subars are a cross between mandelbread biscotti and a cookie. They come in a variety of craveable flavors, including gluten-free, nut-free, and dairy-free option. Subars are twice baked in small batches, giving them their distinctive taste and texture. We chose our 2 favorites to share with you, salted apricot caramel and traditional chocolate chip. They're absolutely perfect with a cozy cup of coffee or tea. So you got 2 of the 3 packs and they're valued at $6 a piece. Yum, and I can kind of feel how they kind of have that hard texture, a little bit of like a biscotti, but I bet when you bite into them, they're probably soft and just absolutely delicious, and both sound amazing. So we got 2 yummy treats. We got 2 gorgeous shades of nail polish. I really like this one. We got this gorgeous necklace, and I love how simple and dainty it is. We got the 2 different scrubbers, one for dishes and such and one for us. And we got the vegan dishwashing block. This is really intriguing to me. Like, this sounds really, really interesting. And let's see. Yep, that is everything. I felt like I was forgetting something, but it's because we got, like, there's 2 of these, 2 of the nail polishes, 2 of the treats. So I don't know what I'm the most excited about. I think it's a really good variety. We got jewelry, we got snacks, we got stuff for the home, we got some nail polishes. So I really liked this month. Let me know down below what you guys think. Do you get this box? If you did, the only thing that seems to me to have been a variation is the necklace. Could have gotten a different stone. So like I said, if you get the box, what stone did you get? What did you think of this? Like I said, I will put that link down below if you would like to sign up, as well as that promo code SouthernMomGet20 to save you 20% off your first box. Again, I hope you guys have a fantastic day or evening, and I will see you on the next one. Bye.